Okay guys, hotel review time. I didn't actually get to stay at this hotel, but I spent 2 days here just hanging out and enjoying the views. It's a beautiful place. This hotel is called Peninsula Beach Resort Koh Chang. It's located on the northwest corner of the island. Very out of the way, not the easiest place to get to, and that makes it very, very quiet. It's an amazing place to just hang out and relax. Not as nice on low tide in areas. Some of the beach is really nice at low tide. Over this way, that's called the Lonely Tree, and that's why I went there, to see that tree. And I found a lot of other stuff. It's a beautiful place. The rooms on the inside are absolutely stunning in my opinion. I didn't get any video of it, just the picture I got online, but I did see inside of one of these rooms when the maid was cleaning it. They're very, very nice, and the view is spectacular. This place is considered 4 stars on Agoda. It's got an 8.9 out of 10 rating, which is pretty amazing, but there's only 583 reviews at this time. So not a lot of reviews, but everybody that stayed here seems to enjoy the place. It is a bit out of the way, and that's not going to work for everybody, but for me, that's a good thing.
Oh, there's the pool. It is big. The ocean of pool. Got a bar too.
Lots of stuff here to do, kayaks for rent and stuff like that. It's a huge piece of ground they got here as well. There's even a golf course in the back, which you have to drive past on the way in.
Look really deep.
If I remember correctly, it's a saltwater pool, and that pool is absolutely huge. There's the views at low tide, pretty nice. It's a really, really long, quiet, very clean beach. There are houses for sale here too on the golf course. Not sure how that works, but they definitely have places for sale here as well. That's where breakfast is served, and I had food here in the afternoon and some drinks. I spent 2 afternoons just enjoying the beauty that is this very remote bay. For me, this is paradise. Very few people, absolutely spotless beach, surrounded by jungles. Like I said, I didn't actually stay here. I already had everything booked up when I found this place, but it's definitely where I plan to stay the next trip to Koh Chang. I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go check it out. Lots of pictures there, some of the ones I've used in this video, and you can check out the prices on your days. Koh Chang has a lot of amazing places to stay, but for me, this is definitely in the top 5. There's a look at the area. There's definitely a lot going on here. it's not just one hotel, right? This is where the food is served. This is where breakfast is served, I would think. Pretty spectacular views, that's for sure. And I can confirm the food is really good here. And pretty reasonable prices, if I remember correctly. Here's where the houses are for sale. For rent too, I believe, but I think they're like holiday rentals. But some are for sale. Well, that's it, guys. A look around the Peninsula Beach Resort, Koh Chang. Unfortunately, I didn't get to stay here, but it's definitely on my list for the next trip. A pretty amazing place, that's for sure. Like I said, I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to get more information. It's definitely worth a look, that's for sure. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.